Some American SUVs are built to last forever, powering families and job sites for decades. But here's the kicker. A few engines on this list will blow your mind. Ready to discover the top 10? Let's dive in. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has been a household name since 1993, offering a mix of rugged off-road capability and everyday practicality. But in 2005, Jeep gave it something special, the 5.7-liter HEMI V8, an engine so durable that owners have reported it crossing 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. This powerhouse delivers 360 horsepower and 390 pounds-per-foot of torque, making it one of the strongest engines in a midsize SUV. According to J.D. Power, the Grand Cherokee with a 5.7-liter HEMI consistently scores 7.5 out of 10 in reliability, while Consumer Reports praises its engine longevity and low failure rates. Under the hood, the 5.7-liter HEMI is built for endurance. It features a cast iron block with aluminum heads, allowing for excellent heat excess while maintaining structural strength. The forged steel crankshaft and connecting rods provide superior durability, making this engine ideal for towing, off-roading, or daily driving. One of the best features of this V8 is its multi-displacement system, which deactivates 4 cylinders during highway cruising, improving fuel efficiency without sacrificing power when needed. Fuel economy is not exactly the highlight of this beast, with an EPA rating of 14 miles per gallon city and 22 miles per gallon highway. But for an engine this powerful, it's a reasonable trade-off. The Grand Cherokee with the HEMI V8 is still in high demand, with older models starting around $18,000 and newer trims going up to $55,000. Drivers who own the Grand Cherokee with a 5.7-liter HEMI often talk about its strong acceleration and effortless towing ability. Many have noted that the ride remains smooth and controlled despite its power, thanks to Jeep's well-tuned suspension. The Chevrolet Tahoe has been a symbol of American strength since its debut in 1995, and if there's one thing it's known for, it's reliability. Over the years, the Tahoe has evolved into one of the most durable full-size SUVs, capable of hauling families, towing heavy loads, and racking hundreds of thousands of miles easily. But what makes the Tahoe stand out is its legendary 5.3-liter V8 EcoTec3 engine, a powertrain that has kept this SUV going for decades. This engine produces 355 horsepower and 383 pounds-per-foot of torque, offering a perfect mix of power and efficiency. According to J.D. Power, the Chevrolet Tahoe consistently scores around 8.2 out of 10 in reliability. At the same time, GM Authority ranks it among the longest-lasting SUVs, with a chance of reaching 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. The forged steel crankshaft and high-strength pistons ensure this engine can handle years of heavy-duty performance without significant wear. A direct injection system optimizes fuel delivery, enhancing combustion efficiency and reducing carbon buildup over time. And with its heavy-duty cooling system, overheating is never a concern, even when towing up to 8,400 pounds. Regarding fuel economy, the 5.3-liter V8 manages around 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway, which is decent considering the Tahoe's size and power. Despite its powerful engine, maintenance costs remain reasonable, with owners reporting an average of $600 per year for maintenance. Owners who drive the Tahoe with the 5.3-liter V8 have praised its smooth ride and impressive towing capability. It offers plenty of space, modern tech features, and premium comfort, making long-distance driving a breeze. With its proven reliability, substantial resale value, and unmatched durability, the Chevrolet Tahoe with the 5.3-liter V8 is an SUV built to go the distance. Since its 1997 debut, the Ford Expedition has been a choice for families, road trippers, and law enforcement agencies looking for a full-size SUV that delivers power and longevity. While older Expeditions relied on V8 power, Ford took a bold step with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, proving that downsizing an engine doesn't mean sacrificing durability. With 400 horsepower and 480 pounds-per-foot of torque, this twin-turbocharged provides V8-level performance with better efficiency. According to J.D. Power, the Expedition consistently scores 7.5 out of 10 in reliability, while Consumer Reports ranks it among the best SUVs for longevity, with many owners surpassing 250,000 miles. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 is engineered for endurance. It features a high-strength, compacted graphite iron block that reduces weight while maintaining durability. The forged steel crankshaft and connecting rods guarantee that this engine can handle extreme loads, whether towing trailers or hauling cargo. Despite its size, the Expedition manages an impressive 17 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway due to Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission. The average yearly maintenance cost is around $590, which is reasonable for a large SUV with this level of performance. Owners have consistently praised the Expedition's smooth ride and strong acceleration, with many noting that the EcoBoost engine delivers surprising power when passing on highways or towing heavy loads. Drivers also appreciate the refined suspension system, which keeps the ride comfortable even on long road trips. Inside, the Expedition offers one of its class's most spacious cabins, advanced driver assistance features, and premium interior materials on higher trims. If you're enjoying this list so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We've got more game-changing SUV content coming your way. The Cadillac Escalade has been a symbol of luxury and power since it first hit the road in 1999. And while it's known for its premium interior, what truly makes this SUV stand out is the legendary 6.2-liter V8 EcoTec3 engine. This beast under the hood does not just deliver performance, it delivers longevity, with many owners surpassing 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. With 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-per-foot of torque, this full-size SUV moves with authority, whether cruising down highways or towing heavy loads. J.D. Power gives the 2024 Escalade an 8.3 out of 10 for reliability, and Consumer Reports notes its substantial resale value, proving that this luxury SUV is built to last. Beneath the surface, the 6.2-liter V8 EcoTec3 is designed for endurance using a cast aluminum block that reduces weight while maintaining strength. The forged steel crankshaft and high-strength aluminum pistons ensure that this engine holds up under high stress, whether you're hauling cargo or pushing the speedometer. It also features dynamic fuel management, allowing it to deactivate cylinders when full power isn't needed, boosting fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The Escalade delivers a respectable fuel economy of 14 miles per gallon city and 19 miles per gallon highway for a full-size luxury SUV. Its 10-speed automatic transmission keeps the engine running smoothly at lower highway RPMs. While luxury vehicles often have higher upkeep costs, the Escalade remains relatively reasonable, with an average annual maintenance cost of around $650. Drivers often praise the Escalade's smooth and commanding ride, noting that the engine delivers effortless acceleration despite its size. The interior comfort and tech features further enhance the driving experience, making the Escalade a powerhouse and one of the most enjoyable SUVs for driving long distances. With a starting price of $81,895, it's not the cheapest SUV on the list, but for those looking for a mix of power, durability, and luxury, the Escalade with a 6.2-liter V8 is a standout choice. When the GMC Yukon first came onto the scene in 1992, it was built for one thing: powerful, long-lasting performance. Over the years, it's remained one of the most reliable full-size SUVs, with a reputation for clocking well over 250,000 miles when properly maintained. At the heart of this SUV is the 6.2-liter V8 EcoTec3, a powerhouse that delivers 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-per-foot of torque, making it a top choice for families, road trippers, and anyone who needs serious towing capability. J.D. Power rates the 2024 Yukon at 7.8 out of 10 for reliability, while Consumer Reports highlights its substantial resale value and robust engine performance. The 6.2-liter V8 EcoTec3 is not just about brute force. It's engineered for longevity and efficiency. Its aluminum block construction helps reduce weight while maintaining durability, and the forged steel crankshaft and reinforced pistons allow it to withstand high-stress conditions. The dynamic fuel management system optimizes power delivery by shutting off cylinders when not needed, improving fuel efficiency without compromising performance. For a large, three-row SUV, the Yukon still manages a respectable 14 miles per gallon city and 20 miles per gallon highway. Its 10-speed automatic transmission improves smoothness and efficiency on long highway drives. Annual maintenance costs average around $630, which is reasonable for a full-size SUV with this power level and features. Owners who drive the GMC Yukon often praise its effortless acceleration and smooth highway performance. Many note that the V8 provides instant throttle response, making it great for highway towing and overtaking. With a starting price of $77,000, the GMC Yukon with a 6.2-liter V8 is a premium SUV built to last, offering a perfect mix of luxury, durability, and serious performance. Since its debut in 1998, the Lincoln Navigator has been synonymous with luxury and commanding road presence. But what makes it truly remarkable is its powerful and long-lasting engine. Unlike many large SUVs that rely on V8s, the Navigator's 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 EcoBoost delivers 450 horsepower and 510 pounds-per-foot of torque, proving that downsizing doesn't mean sacrificing durability. This SUV is designed to last, with many owners reporting well over 200,000 miles with routine care. J.D. Power rates the Navigator at 8.6 out of 10 for reliability, while Consumer Reports praises its strong engine performance and smooth ride quality. The 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 EcoBoost is built to handle high performance without excessive wear. The dual turbochargers provide instant power delivery, while the direct and port fuel injection system ensures efficient combustion and reduced carbon buildup, extending the engine's lifespan. The Navigator achieves a respectable 17 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway for a large luxury SUV, thanks to its advanced 10-speed automatic transmission, which optimizes gear shifts for efficiency. With an average maintenance cost of around $650 per year, the Navigator remains competitive regarding long-term ownership costs. Owners frequently highlight how the Navigator's twin-turbo V6 delivers effortless acceleration, making highway merging and overtaking smooth and responsive. Starting at $82,765, the Lincoln Navigator is built for power, longevity, and high-end comfort in one package. The Dodge Durango, first introduced in 1998, has earned a reputation as a muscle SUV with the heart of a performance vehicle and the durability of a workhorse. Over the years, its 5.7-liter HEMI V8 has proven to be one of the most reliable and longest-lasting engines, with many owners surpassing 250,000 miles with proper care. Producing 360 horsepower and 390 pounds-per-foot of torque, this powerhouse provides strong acceleration, excellent towing capability, and a signature V8 rumble that SUV enthusiasts love. J.D. Power gives the Durango an 8.5 out of 10 reliability rating, while Consumer Reports consistently ranks it as one of the top large SUVs for longevity. The 5.7-liter HEMI V8 is built to withstand years of heavy use, featuring a cast iron block for extra durability and aluminum heads for improved heat dissipation. Dodge's multi-displacement system allows the V8 to deactivate 4 cylinders under light loads, improving fuel efficiency when full power isn't needed. Despite being a high-performance SUV, the Durango's fuel economy is reasonable at 14 miles per gallon city and 22 miles per gallon highway, thanks to its smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. Drivers frequently praise how the Durango's HEMI engine delivers instant power, making highway merging and overtaking effortless. With comfortable seating for up to 7, user-friendly tech, and solid towing capabilities of up to 7,200 pounds, the Dodge Durango with a 5.7-liter HEMI is a perfect mix of power, longevity, and practicality. Starting at $44,000, it remains a solid investment for those who want a performance-oriented SUV that lasts. The Ford Explorer, introduced in 1991, helped define the modern SUV, offering a balance of family-friendly comfort, off-road capability, and long-term reliability. The 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 found in newer models is a testament to Ford's ability to deliver power while guaranteeing longevity and efficiency. With 400 horsepower and 415 pounds-per-foot of torque, this engine provides strong acceleration and impressive towing power. According to J.D. Power, the Explorer earns an 8.2 out of 10 for reliability, while Consumer Reports highlights its engine durability, especially in high-mileage models. The 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 is engineered for both power and endurance, featuring a high-strength aluminum block that reduces weight without compromising toughness. Its forged steel crankshaft and connecting rods ensure that it can handle consistent, high-performance driving without excessive wear. The liquid-cooled intercooler confirms that the engine remains at an optimal temperature, even under demanding conditions. Fuel efficiency is another advantage, with the Explorer achieving 18 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway, making it one of the more efficient SUVs in its class without sacrificing power. Drivers who own the Explorer with a 3.0-liter EcoBoost often praise its smooth acceleration and effortless highway cruising, noting that the twin-turbo setup eliminates lag and provides consistent power delivery. The interior's spacious layout, advanced safety features, and tech upgrades make long trips enjoyable, further adding to the Explorer's appeal. With a starting price of $47,000, the Ford Explorer remains one of the most well-rounded SUVs on the market, built for those who need both longevity and performance in one package. The Chevrolet Suburban has been a staple of American roads since 1935, making it one of the longest-running nameplates in automotive history. Known for its massive interior space, unpaired towing ability, and rock-solid dependability, the Suburban has remained a favorite among families, law enforcement, and businesses that demand durability. One of the key reasons behind its long-lasting reputation is the 6.2-liter V8 EcoTec3, a powerhouse built for longevity and heavy-duty performance. Delivering 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-per-foot of torque, this engine ensures that the Suburban can handle high mileage with ease. J.D. Power gives the 2024 Suburban an 8 out of 10 for reliability, while Consumer Reports consistently ranks it as one of the longest-lasting full-size SUVs. It's reinforced with a forged steel crankshaft and durable pistons, ensuring that it can withstand years of towing, long highway trips, and stop-and-go city driving without significant wear. The dynamic fuel management system allows the engine to deactivate cylinders when full power isn't needed, boosting fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Despite its size, the Suburban manages a reasonable 14 miles per gallon city and 20 miles per gallon highway, helped by its 10-speed automatic transmission, which optimizes shifting for better efficiency. Drivers often describe the Suburban's V8 engine as effortlessly powerful, allowing for smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. With a starting price of $62,000, the Chevrolet Suburban remains a top choice for those who need a large, long-lasting SUV that can handle both work and family life without compromise. Few SUVs have a legacy as legendary and enduring as the Jeep Wrangler. First introduced in 1986, the Wrangler has built a reputation for solid durability, off-road capability, and go-anywhere attitude. But beyond its iconic design, what truly makes this SUV stand the test of time is its 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, a powertrain known for longevity, reliability, and versatility. Producing 285 horsepower and 260 pounds-per-foot of torque, this engine has powered millions of Wranglers across deserts, mountains, and city streets without fail. J.D. Power gives the Wrangler an 8.6 out of 10 reliability rating, while Consumer Reports highlights its proven track record of hitting 250,000-plus miles with routine maintenance. Its forged steel crankshaft and connecting rods ensure it can withstand harsh off-road conditions and heavy loads. The dual overhead camshaft design with variable valve timing optimizes power delivery while keeping fuel efficiency in check. The Wrangler's fuel economy is 17 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway, which is impressive considering its off-road capability and body-on-frame construction. Maintenance costs are surprisingly reasonable, with owners averaging around $580 per year on routine upkeep. Many owners love the simple, reliable design, mentioning that it's easy to repair and modify, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. With a starting price of $34,995, the Jeep Wrangler with a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 is a legendary SUV that's built to last decades, whether you're tackling rocky trails or just driving through the city. There you have it, 10 American SUV engines that are built to last a lifetime. These powertrains have proven their worth over time. Now we want to hear from you. Do you own one of these SUVs, or is there another engine you think deserves a spot on this list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you made it this far, you're definitely a car enthusiast. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the most reliable vehicles on the road.